Welcome back to the Blitz. Our Darton College correspondents took their talents to Terrell County and captured the sights and sounds of the game. And we'll check out, see what they've got for us.
Jeremy Hayes, your campus correspondent. Tonight I'm here at Terrell Academy as the Eagles take on the Brookwood Warriors. Here's some sights and sounds.
Run down by Raleigh Carlson at the Brookwood 45-yard line. 1st and 10 Warriors.
With the Eagles, don't mess with Darton. Win this game. Warriors gonna win this game.
Weak, out, weak.
That's it for tonight at Donville Field. Now back to the studio.
Man, you know, I know the focus is about the football game and everything, but those burgers and fries got me a little hungry.
Delicious. I'm very hungry.